getting away from that. You're getting into such a marginal audience that really all you can say is, I do this because I really like doing it. I mean, I sat down and read Attractive Cousins. Came in last week, but we hadn't opened the box and probably hadn't sorted through them. And it's like I worked really hard on this. I wanted it to say exactly what I wanted it to say, and now I want to read it and make sure that it said what I wanted it to say, and it did. And it's I don't really care that I'm not making grown-up amounts of money off of it. But I do have to find things to make grown-up amounts of money off of. And Strange Death of Alex Raymond, I don't think is it. It could end up being a surprise. It could, for just some reason, go completely viral out in society, or at least viral in the comics community. I think it's a very good time for Carson to be doing a Kickstarter with You Don't Know Jack, or anybody in comics to be doing a Kickstarter, because people are very limited in how they can spend money, and online fundraising is one of the few places that they can do it, and not have to run afoul of the whole COVID-19 lifestyle thing. I think one of the major things that I'll bet you Carson doesn't want to do that I would think would be a great idea in terms of promoting You Don't Know Jack would be Jack Van Dyke photo cover from the photograph that Carson did. Carson doesn't want to do that because that wasn't the agreement. He wasn't taking the photos to use them as photos. He was taking the photos to use them as photo reference. But there are photos of Jack Van Dyke online, and very, very nice photographs. They would make really, really good comic book covers. And if you did multiple covers where, if you buy these two photo covers, you get this bonus photo cover. I haven't looked at the photos in a long time, but they're really, really good photographs. I've never met Jack Van Dyke, and I've never spoken to her on the phone. She's always just been the subject of the bridging material in Strange Death of Alex Raymond and You Don't Know Jack comic book. But boy, there's a real quality for her in terms of the visuals, and particularly some of the photos that Carson used for the really spectacular splash pages in You Don't Know Jack would make really, really nice photo covers. And I don't know, you could go all the way down there, like the same way that the direct market worked with the variant covers. Like, you have to buy 10 of these to get this Jack Van Dyke photo cover. And some of them, I think, there would be a lot of fans who would go, yeah, I'll buy 10 of those to get one of those.
Well, I will suggest that to Carson when he's gearing up, that, because, worst he does is he asks Jack and she says, no way, never, ever, ever.
Right.
She might say yes.
Yeah. Okay, that's 2 hour mark, so I'm going away now.
I was going to say, I think we've covered everything we need to cover.
I think so. If we haven't, if anybody wants me to talk more about Strange Death of Alex Raymond, I'm glad to do it. Like I say, let's just leave it on the table.
I was going to say, what you could do is record it and then give it to Eddie and have Eddie put it on the Patreon. And if any Patreon supporter wants to know, click the link.
Right. And at the same time, that runs afoul of the people who have trouble controlling themselves. They don't want to know, but they do want to know. They don't want to know, they do want to know. That used to happen with Gerhard working on the book, where he'd say, what's blah, blah, blah about this? And it's like I'd go, you really want me to tell you? And he'd go, yes. And he'd go, no. And he'd go, yes. And he'd go, no. And it's like, well, okay, you let me know when both of you have a definitive answer to that. Have a good night, Matt.
You do, Dave. Take care.
Say hi to Paula and say goodbye again to Janice Pearl and Bullwinkle.
Will do.
Bye-bye.
Yep, bye. Okay, guys, so if you really want to know what the twist is in Volume 5, sound off in the comments on the YouTubes or on Amok, or send me an email, or just call Dave and scream at his answering machine. I can't control you on that one. Everybody